Hello everyone, this printer is HP Envy 4500E series. I want to show you how to set up this printer. We're going to install the software and driver you need to be able to use this printer. Go to Google search bar, you can use Bing, then type HP support. Select on it, go to the official website, then select software and drivers. Select printer. Then type the printer details, HP Envy 4500E all-in-one printer series. Select on it. It will show you the printer image. Install HP app to complete setup and support. Then you select install from Microsoft Store. If it's taking a while to load, you can close this, then go to Microsoft Store. On your laptop, go to Microsoft Store. Then search HP app. HP app, select on it. This is HP app. Install this app on your computer, then open the app. Select add. Then choose a printer. So it's now searching for the printer. Location, go to the location and switch location on. So go to laptop settings. Select location. Switch location on. So location is on. It's now searching for the printer. And the printer is found HP Envy. Select add printer. Getting printer driver information. This might take a few minutes. Printer driver successfully installed. Then select continue. Then select add. Choose a printer to add. So the printer is available. Select add this printer, HP Envy. $4500. Save. Then choose a printer. You sign in into HP account. Then select launch. So this is the printer, HP Envy 4500 series. So once you sign into your account, it will show you the printer and also show you the ink level. Now I want us to print a document to confirm that the printer is connected. Then select print PDFs. Then go to documents. Then type the document you want to print out. Select on the document, then select print. So this is 2-page document. Go on the left side, printer is selected. Orientation, portrait. We want to print it A4 plain paper. print on both sides, long edge, then select print. So the document is printing. Now printing. So this is the printer image. This is the document we printed out. So this is how to install the full driver and the software for this printer and print out document. Thank you very much indeed.